One, two, three, look what you're doing to me with your voodoo. Voodoo. I'm caught in a trance when you're dancing, baby, the way you do. You do. Those devilish eyes, could they blow my mind? And you're pouring me a glass of your blood red wine. There's no use trying to resist your wicked ways. Hey, hey. Girl, your body's moving like a snake. With that voodoo. No matter where I go, I can't escape. With the voodoo. Every night you're keeping me awake. With your voodoo. Yes, I can refuse anything that you do. With your voodoo. Voodoo. She's a moonlight murderer, to say the least. She's a killer. You want a midnight snack, but she'll give you a feast if you will. And her fingernails scratching all down your back, she will make a young man have a heart attack. There's no use trying to resist her wicked ways. Hey, yeah. Girl, your body's moving like a snake. With that voodoo. No matter where I go, I can't escape. From your voodoo. Every night you're keeping me awake. With that voodoo. I guess I can't refuse anything that you do. Voodoo. Your halo's tossed out the window, and your wings thrown on the floor. You were acting so sweet till we were under the sheets, but no more. Girl, your body's moving like a snake. With that voodoo. No matter where I go, I can't escape. From your voodoo. Every night you're keeping me awake. From your voodoo. I guess I can refuse anything that you do. Girl, your body's moving like a snake. On that voodoo. No matter where I go, I can't escape. From your voodoo. Every night you're keeping me awake. From your voodoo. I guess I can refuse anything that you do.
Let's learn Voodoo. It's choreographed by Rona Kaye. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, low intermediate level line dance with restarts on walls 4 and 8 after the first 8 counts with a step change. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the intro for the dance, how to do the step change for the restarts and where they happen, and the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 9 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Voodoo. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your right foot. We're going to step forward with our left foot. You're going to sweep your right from back to front and snap your fingers out to the side. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to sweep your left foot from back to front and snap your fingers out to the side. We're now going to rock forward on our left foot, recover back onto our right, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 9 o'clock, and then cross your right over your left. So let's try that with some count weights on your right, doing your step sweep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with our left foot to face 12 o'clock. You're now going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. You're going to step forward with your left foot, do a quarter pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 9 o'clock. Cross your left over your right. Kick your right foot low into the right diagonal. Cross your right behind your left and step your left foot to the left side. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just crossed our right over our left. You're making that quarter turn over your right shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a right crossing toe strut. So you're going to take your right toe, cross it over your left, drop your right heel, taking weight onto your right foot. We're now going to rock our left foot to the left side, and as we rock, we're going to sway our body to the left, and as you recover back onto your right foot, you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder to face 6 o'clock. You're now going to do back touches with body rolls, so we're going to step back with our left foot and start our body roll with our shoulders and our head, and then sit back onto your left foot and touch your right toe slightly forward. We're now going to step back with our right foot, roll your body forward, and then sit back onto your right foot and touch that left toe slightly forward. So let's try that with some counts. We just step to the left. You're going to do your crossing toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do a kickball change that steps out to the side. So we're going to kick our left foot low and forward, quickly step your left next to your right, and then step your right foot slightly out to the right side. We're now going to do a jazz box quarter turn with a touch. So you're going to cross your left over your right, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 3 o'clock, step your left foot to the left side and touch your right next to your left. We're now going to do syncopated side touches. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side, touch your left next to your right, step your left foot to the left side, touch your right next to your left, and then you're going to quickly step your right foot next to your left, ready to start the next wall. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our body roll sit, weights on that right foot facing 6 o'clock. You're going to do your kickball change with your side step. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8, and ready to start the next wall with your step sweep with your left. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weights on your right foot, doing your step sweep, step sweep, rock, recover, quarter, cross, quarter, back, half forward, step, quarter, pivot, cross, kick, behind, side, cross, toe, strut, quarter, rock, recover, back roll, touch, kick, ball, side, jazz box, quarter, turn with a touch, side, touch, step, ready to start the next wall. So let's try it with some counts. Weights on your right, doing your step sweep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8, and then you're ready to keep on dancing. So now let's talk about the step change and the restarts. Your first one's going to happen on wall 4, so you'll be facing 9 o'clock. We're going to dance the first 8 counts. However, we're not going to make our quarter turn. We're going to replace the last 2 counts of 7, 8 with a rock back recover. So the ending of your first 8 counts is going to be a rocking chair. So weight would be on our right foot. You're doing your step sweep, step sweep, step sweep. Now we're just going to rock forward, recover, rock back, recover, start the dance all over again. This will become wall 5. We'll dance wall 5, wall 6, wall 7, all the way through. When we come to the back wall, this will be wall 8. You're going to do that same step change and restart facing the back wall. So weight would be on your right. You're going to step sweep with your left, sweep your right, step right, sweep left. Now your rock, recover, and then you're going to rock back, recover, restart the dance facing the back wall. It will become wall 9, and then you'll dance the rest of the dance all the way through until your final wall, which is wall 14, where you have your ending. Now, there is a nice intro. It's about 40 counts from the start of the song to where you start the dance. You're going to have your weight on your right foot with that left toe slightly forward, and all we're going to do is bump our hip to the right and snap our finger out. So you want to think you're coming up, down, snap, up, down, snap, up, down, snap. So you're kind of doing this bumping motion to the right, and as you do your hip, you're gonna snap your right hand out to the side. You're gonna end up doing it for 40 counts. There's a beat and a snap as you do it, so you just wanna be hitting that beat as you do your hip and your snap. Now, let's talk about the ending. So wall 9 will be our back wall. You'll dance wall 9, wall 10, wall 11, wall 12, wall 13, and then when we come to 9 o'clock, this will become wall 14. We're going to dance up till our 2 back touches body rolls. And then we're going to talk about the ending. So weights on that right foot, you're going to step and sweep. So step, sweep, rock, recover, quarter, cross, quarter, back, half, step, quarter, pivot, cross, kick, behind, side, cross, toe, strut, quarter, rock, recover, back roll, right here. This is going to be the ending of your dance. All we're going to do is step back with our left foot, keeping our body facing 3 o'clock, and you're going to look over your left shoulder to 12 o'clock, and you can kind of do a little bit of a sassy pose if you would like, as long as you're looking over your left shoulder with your left foot back, kind of sitting onto this left foot. That will be how you will end the dance. So now let's go around. We're going to dance 9 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the step change in our restart into the next wall. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your right foot. We're starting with our intro, so that left toe is slightly forward, and you're sitting on that right foot. We're going to start with our bump and snap. So you're bumping, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, sweep, rock, recover, quarter, cross, quarter, half, step, quarter, pivot, cross, kick, behind, side, cross, toe, strut, quarter, rock, recover, back roll, kick, ball, change, jazz box, quarter, turn to the touch, side, touch, step, sweep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and step, sweep, rock, recover, quarter, cross, quarter, half, step, quarter, pivot, cross, kick, behind, side, cross, toe, strut, quarter, rock, recover, back roll, touch, kick, ball, change, jazz box, quarter, turn with a touch, side, touch. This is our 8 counts with our rocking chair. So we're stepping and sweeping with our left. 1, 2, 3, 4, rock, 5, 6, rock back, 7, 8, restart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and step, sweep, rock, recover, quarter, cross, quarter, half, step, quarter, pivot, cross, kick, behind, side, cross, toe, strut, quarter, rock, recover, back roll with a touch, kick, ball, change, jazz box, quarter, turn with your step touches, step, sweep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 8 counts. Step, sweep, rock forward, recover, rock back, recover, restart, step, sweep, forward, rock, quarter, cross, quarter, half, step, quarter, pivot, cross, kick, behind, side, cross, toe, strut, quarter, rock, recover, back roll with a touch, kick, ball, change, jazz box, quarter, turn with your touch, side, touch, step. Ready to keep on dancing until you get to wall 14, where you're going to end with that back step, looking over your left shoulder. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like. so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Voodoo. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.